Alright people, I'm here. Here's Cap. Cap, tell them what we got going on.
Oh, we got the 50-foot sailing vessel Arabella cruising along the Ponce Inlet coast here. Under full sail most of the time, but we did kick the motors in so we could keep the schedule right. I want to make sure everybody gets to see a little sea life and stuff like that. But
so where can they find you?
You can find us online at sailingdaytona.com or Funcat Arabella on Facebook. We're here on Ponce Inlet. We run cruises just about almost 7 nights a week. Whenever we get 12 people want to go.
Now here's the $1 million question. You gonna let me drive this thing?
Sure, why not?
Woo! All right. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Long Time Coming. And today, first and foremost, look what your boy's doing. I pulled up all the carpet and the underlayment in my living room area because we're putting down grip strip vinyl flooring. That's what we're putting down. So 2 years, and look at how crappy it already is. This is 2-year-old carpet, 2-year-old underlayment. It looked like crap. You know, it kind of smells like crap. You know, but with a 2-year-old and going around doing all type of 2-year-old crap on it, that's what happens. You know, that's what happens. But today, we got a special guest, your boy, Stump Master Flex.
What up, y'all?
Stump, tell them what we got going on today, man. This is all you, son.
This is us, man. I mean, we're doing it together, but since it's raining out, we really can't mow any lawns, which my lawn is in desperate need of a mow. I haven't been a really good lawnmower owner. I haven't really taken as care of my lawnmower as much as I should have.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, hey, B, we should probably do something about this.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to sharpen the blade.
Yeah.
We need to change the oil.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go ahead and change the filter as well.
Now, tell the people, what do you have here? What do you got here? What's going on? What kind of lawnmower is this?
Got a Troy built rear driven.
Look at that. A rear wheel drive. Damn, is your truck rear wheel?
Yes, sir.
God damn.
You got the mutters in the back and then the small ones up front.
All right, so first step that we have to do here is always, as Connor and Ryan would say, pull the spark plug out. You know, so let's see if we. Where the hell is the spark plug?
I was just looking at that.
Now, disclaimer: while he looked for the spark plug, our advice, as Justin would already know, the lawn whisperer, our advice is professional, but it's not licensed.
Not at all. But I found it.
He found it.
So we're gonna pull the cover off the spark plug right there.
All right.
So we're safe.
All right. So let's see about this filter here. You got now, just to show you guys a little. This is the filter here.
The gentleman at Lowe's said would fit my.
I don't think this is the right filter, do you?
I don't think so either.
This ain't the right filter, guys. Watch what happened.
Watch me.
Boom, wop, wop, wop,
definitely
wop.
That look a lot different.
Just a little bit, right?
But it's okay because it's still a paper filter, so we can't run it with water. So make sure you guys know that if you have filters, some of them are the squeegee kind. You can rinse those out and maybe reuse them. Just make sure you let them dry completely out before you put them on there. You can also do that with your vacuums. But
there you go.
But with these paper ones, you get them wet, you're pretty much done for. So if you have a blower, which we have, we can blow
we
through.
do.
We can try to blow this through and then try to clean it up as much as I can until I can find a replacement filter.
Right here. Once again, guys, Facebook Marketplace and all. My air compressor. Guess how much I got it for? You know how much I got this for, Stump? I told you.
$20.
Wrong.
$15.
Wrong.
$10.
Wrong.
$5 make you holler?
Oh my gosh, no. Wrong.
I don't
Wrong.
know.
I got this air compressor for free.
Free 99? Are you
Yep.
out of your mind?
A guy was selling it. He was like, hey, I'm moving. I just need to get rid of it. Anybody want it for free? Come get it. I said, I'm in the car. So that's where it said all I have to do is just buy the hose and everything. All right, so let's plug it up and get this going.
All right, guys. Once again, we're gonna try to salvage a little bit of this filter until I can find.
Look, that's him right there. Look at him flying.
Oh man, you almost hit your wife.
That's him right there. That's the Dodge Charger, bro.
Listen, we are living in a very kid-friendly neighborhood.
You saw
we have
that?
a person that drives around like it's Talladega.
I'm gonna check his ass when he come back.
Yeah.
Look, this video about to get demonetized. I mean, I'm not even at 1,000 subscribers to even get it like monetized. So
Yeah.
I guess it don't really.
I mean, we can really
matter.
do whatever we want. It's YouTube.
You saw that son of a bitch,
We're
right?
about to do some backyard wrestling type shit on this guy.
Listen, people already think that everyone in Florida is crazy.
Florida man.
We're just hyping that up that it's true.
It's true. Well, you know, I did win best costume at the Halloween party because I was Florida man.
I remember that. You were. You did do that. You know, I think I got a picture of that too, guys. I'll show you guys that picture in 3, 2, 1. So now that I'm still pissed about that guy.
You'll get his.
All right. Let's
Let's
focus
get
back
back to
here.
work. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and blow this out. Until I can get another one to replace it. So let's turn this guy on.
All right.
We have a special guest in the house.
Baby girl, you want to come say hi to the people?
You want to come
No?
say hi?
Give me a dirty look.
Diva.
Hey, will
Diva.
you put out this carpet too, Brennan? So we can get out?
Trying to get the people gold right here, mama.
Oh, whatever. It stinks. It smells like carpet in here.
I mean, I'm trying to get the people gold. Me and Stump Master, and then mama just telling me to do all type of stuff here.
Mm-hmm. And we're back.
Yeah, them jeans though. Them jeans. Oh, my bad, y'all. Disclaimer, we live in Florida, so we live on the east side of Florida, so we don't wear proper PPEs. Alan and them on the west side of Florida, they do. But over here, we just rock and roll with it, huh?
I'm wearing contacts and sandals.
That's good PPEs.
Yeah.
I'm wearing Line Dash 2.0s, you know. August with sweatpants on.
I got the reef sandals
Show them what's under it.
with the beer opener.
Jesus Christ. We got problems.
Florida man!
We got so many problems.
All right.
So now we just have to change the oil.
So hang on, before you do that, bro, we're gonna take the string,
Okay.
make sure it's out of the way,
Oh.
because you don't want to get any oil up on your string.
See? I really wouldn't care.
Well, that's the difference.
Get out.
Possibly. All right, ready for this?
We'll slowly tip it over. Try to catch it right at the drop and adjust. Go ahead. There we go. Yeah, look at
Yeah,
that.
that's pretty.
You just let it sit there. Yeah, just let it sit there for a minute.
Let's look at the blade while we're over here.
Now we can actually take the blade. Adjust it.
So we're gonna probably yank off this blade as well and sharpen it up because B. Davis has all this fun stuff over here that we get to play with, all these tools. So let's go ahead and take this guy off.
My patent tool, because what you want to do is you want to lock this in where it can't move. So
The lock-in wood.
the blade locker. Slowly insert the blade locker into your lawnmower firmly, as such. Once it's locked in there, then the blade locker will activate in order to lock the blade properly. Then you want to take here and you want to rotate it as such until the blade locks firmly in the blade locker. Then you want to crank. There he is.
There we go.
There we go. Woo! Time out. Let's take a pause for the cause real quick, guys. I want to talk to you guys about this this socket wrench here. Stump, do you know how much I got this socket wrench for?
I don't.
I'm gonna tell you guys a story real quick. And as soon as I tell this story, I'm gonna surprise Stump. I got this socket wrench for free. $3.03.
Free $99.
I found it in the middle of the street. I found it in the middle of the. I need you to come right over here, Stump. I gotta tell you the story. There's no rain. It's raining out there, but there's no rain here. I got this socket wrench for free. Because I found it in the street. I found this socket wrench in the street on Ridgewood.
Ridgewood, up to no good.
I found this socket wrench in the street on Ridgewood.
You busted the U and go back and get it, didn't you?
Near the 7-Eleven. You know that area.
Some crackhead must have been pissed.
You know that.
About the soccer wrench.
You know that area. It was in the street, and I was like, "Oh, wait a minute, let's turn." You know, for those who don't know, Ridge, not all of Ridgewood.
There's some good parts of Ridgewood, but
the area I found this was not.
There was one stretch about 3 or 4 miles worth of some sketchy situations. It's one of those. Yeah, it's just sketchy. We'll just leave it at that.
Well, I stopped and I picked it up. So I ain't gonna let a good socket wrench go to waste. They're all out here crazy. All right, and just like that, the blade is off. Bada bang. As you guys can see, this blade hasn't been sharpened in I don't know how long. How long?
Since I've had it.
You've never sharpened it?
Nope.
That's what I'm saying, people. Sharpen your blades. Get the grinder on. This grinder, once again, Facebook Marketplace. I got it for free with the guy when I bought the guy's my Time Master. He threw this bench grinder in for free. Telling y'all. Falling on the budget. Wah. Time out. Always wear your eye protection. There we go. All right. Feel like a nice. That's how you sharpen blades, boys and girls. Let's go.
Alright, so now we're putting the oil back in the machine. Where we're from, we don't use funnels.
Sometimes you just gotta
Put it in the hole.
well that. But also you just gotta pour her in!
Put her in, bruh!
Pour her in!
Yeehaw!
Put her in! Pour her in! Hope for the best. That's how it.
Girls, throw her down. Let's hope for the best.
Hey, oil change is completed. Oh, you know that? Oh, you know. So now, actually, before we do that, let's hit the spark plug. Now we're gonna go ahead and change spark plug with my hooker wrench. Free 99 at a hooker area near you. Yeah. Shout out to my main man Bryson. See, I'm rocking his hat. Bryson Crane Game. That's what we bought. You guys will meet him soon.
Ooh, that was dirty.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, definitely needed that.
Look at that.
Definitely need for that.
Look at that.
One of the key things of putting a spark plug back in is you got to start it with by hand. You don't want to overstrip this because you are screwed if you strip this.
There you go. right, let's give her a tug and let her run. Running like a champ. It sounds smoother. Doesn't sound as loud. Looks good. I just gotta clean it up. What do you think, Stump?
I wish it wasn't raining because I'm ready to cut.
You ready to cut, but it's raining.
Gotta get them crispy edge. Hashtag crispy.
Extra crispy. Son.
Extra crispy.
Come on now. You 2 doors down from me. You know what this is. Just like that. That's how you change the spark plug, clean the filter, change the oil, you know.
Basic lawn.
Just basic lawn maintenance, you know, for you guys. Most of you guys probably already know this. Some of you guys don't, but hey, when it's raining outside, you gotta get creative out here, right?
Gotta get crazy on these mean streets.
I don't know what that means. So, this has been another episode of
Long time coming.
I am your handsome host, B. Davis. Right here behind me is my main man Stump, aka Prom King. Are you Prom King?
Nah, she was prom queen. I was just another guy.
Oh yeah? Stump used to get on the field.
I was just a lucky guy.
Huh. Just like that, guys. He was just a lucky guy. See y'all next week.
Boats and hoes.
Oh God, we about to get. See y'all later.